Siyempre happy ako kasi narating na nila yung age na 60. Kasi hindi naman lahat nakakarating 60 years old, diba? So yun, sobrang happy.
Happy birthday, Mama. Salamat po sa mga pag-aalaga niyo po sa amin. Parang nagkakaroon din ng sakit, hindi niyo kami pinapabayaan.
We were all come from blocks of ice.
Hindi namin in-expect kasi actually si Mama, 2 beses siyang na-hospital. 2 beses siyang nag-50-50. So, hindi namin talaga in-expect na aabutin pa niya yung ganyan age. So, kay Auntie Ana naman, yun, happy din ako kasi syempre, healthy silang dalawa.
Falling under.
Auntie Ana, happy birthday. Thank you kasi naging 2 yung mami namin. Ito yung naging pangalawang mother namin. So, ayun, I wish you good health and sana humaba pa yung buhay.
Darkness fades beyond the waves of a never-ending sea. We've got no rules or games. We'll break and feel the fight falling underneath. We'll break and feel the fight falling under.
Mama, happy birthday. Salamat kasi kahit wala na si Papa, ikaw na yung tumayong naging mama at papa namin. So, I wish na sana humaba pa yung buhay mo and yun, good health.
It's okay, it's alright, I'm not alone. It's okay.
So, ayun, since day 1, maraming salamat po. So, I pray na ibalik ni Lord na siksik-liglig at tumapaw yung blessing po sa iyo. And kita ni Lord lahat ng kindness and generosity niyo po sa amin.
It's alright.
Kasi naging magulang ka namin at thank you kasi ikaw na yung tumayong nanay at tatay namin. Salamat sa pagmamahal at sa mga sakripisyong binigay mo sa aming mga magkakapatid.
We'll break and feel the fight falling underneath. We'll break and feel the fight falling underneath.
Sa wish ko po sa iyo, Mama, good health po. At yun lang po, Mama. Happy birthday and love you.
Can feel the fight falling under. Feel the world turn into a brand new day. Watch the rising of the sun. Shadows start to run. Standing at the start of something great. See the hope that lines the sky, and we'll let it be our guide. I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights. Going further than we
humaba pa ang buhay at good health din nila. Salamat sa pagmamahal at sana nagustuhan niyo yung preparasyon na hinandahan para sa
We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further.